So let's see if I can't catch you guys up with the last couple of days. So I took a night bus from Hanoi to Ha Giang, which is kind of like Sapa, except much less touristy. It's kind of like these old traditional villages and mountains, which you can't really see because of all the clouds. It's been raining all day. And yeah, finding the bus station for that first night bus was a little bit of it's a different story. I'll get onto that later. But we arrived here at 4 a.m. last night, where I met a guy who's going to the same hostel I'm going to. He booked, I didn't. We arrived there at this 24-hour reception hostel, and they're closed. So we spent from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. banging on their door until they finally opened, and they told him that they sold his bed, even though he booked, because someone else arrived before him. Isn't that the point of booking? So yeah, after a few arguments with them, we decided to leave, and we found this homestay, which is where we're staying now with a few locals, and it's quite nice. They feed you 3 meals a day, just as much as the hostel, with only breakfast, and you get to stay in kind of this little village setting. So today I rented this bad boy, and we're going to go ride the mountainsides and just see what this has to offer. Today we're starting a 3-day motorbike tour through the mountains of North Vietnam. It's all muddy from the It feels so safe.
Oh shit.
Yes. The boards are even moving. This was not even attached to the side. It's just kind of laying on top of another one.
So weird.
I made it to China. Actually, we're still in Vietnam. We're not allowed to cross. So, we just finished our first ride of 3, our first day of 3, on this motorcycle tour in the North Vietnamese mountains. And we got started a little late, around noon today. And about the last half hour was on the edge of dark, right at dark. And now it's 6:22. It was nice. Moonlight and the clouds below and below us gave off some nice views, but I wouldn't really recommend doing it at night. Maybe leave a little bit earlier, because the roads are pretty questionable at best. And it's pretty hard when you can actually see the potholes, let alone at night when you have to wait till the headlight hits it and it's going to be too late to dodge. But yeah, 2 more days to go. The views are stunning. Probably one of the best things I've done in Vietnam yet. To keep upload times a little more realistic while traveling, I've decided to cut this into 2 videos. Please be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the second part. The best is yet to come.